Hello class, this is Mr. Garcia and today we're going to be drawing insects. So I know it can be intimidating to draw head on, so I'll go ahead and help you to draw starting with simple shapes. So the first thing I want you to do is to choose one of the insects. Now I'll be putting up the picture into the online classroom, so you can go ahead and look at it, and you can also print it if you like. So the first thing you need to do is to decide which insect you're gonna go ahead and draw. Now the one that I find the most interesting is, I'll go ahead and choose to do the beetle. Alright, now you don't have to do the beetle, but if you want to follow along, that'd be the best thing to do. I might break down this video into multiple different videos. They might be about 10 minutes long each. Alright, so the things that you're gonna need today is obviously a piece of paper, an eraser. For me, as you know, I have my kneaded eraser. And you're gonna need some pencils. So paper, eraser, and pencils. So you see that it has special pencils. This one right here is an HB. It's the same as a number 2 pencil. So don't worry too much about the quality of your pencils. However, if you do have special pencils, I would advise you that you use them. Alright, so I apologize for the distance of the camera to the actual drawing. I don't have an actual camera mount or phone mount, so this is the best I can do for the moment. Alright, so we have our insects that we decided to do. Alright, so we look at the key features that the insect has. We know that it has this long horn-like objects protruding from the head. We have on the nose. So the first thing that I would do is try to get the general shape. And like I've told many of you, it's a good idea to draw lightly. So when I draw my sketch, as you can see, I hold my pencil this way with my thumb and my index finger. I don't hold it too tight, and I try to relax my hand. So you can go ahead and see. Alright. So the first shape, you can see the beetle is actually kind of oval. It's just an oval sideways. So we'll go ahead and draw an oval. Like this. Alright. And then it has another circle for the head. Now, I may have drawn a little bit too big, but we can go ahead and squeeze the horns in. After the circle, it's kind of like a square for the mouth. Now, I'll try my best to talk throughout the whole video so it's not too boring. But at times I will go quiet because I would be focusing on the drawing itself. So I apologize for that. And if you don't have a sketchbook, it's fine. You can just use loose leaf paper. But if you do have a sketchbook, please use it. And again, if you feel more comfortable, you can go ahead and print out the paper so you can have the physical copy with you. It'll be a lot easier than having to look at the screen. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try my best to answer. You can also message me on the days that are not Friday, so I can still help you if you like. And I understand that drawing insects can be a little bit hard. So as you can see, the beetle's arms are not exactly straight. They kind of curve. I don't know if you can see that. They kind of curve this way. And then they curve this way. It's not an exact 90-degree angle. As you can see, basically the knee over here, it's a little bit higher than the elbow would be. So we have our knee right here. I'm drawing a little bit too long. So we have our knee right here. So either this knee needs to go a little bit higher or the elbow needs to go lower. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring the knee higher. Around here. And then you draw the elbow. Feel like the arm is getting a little bit too long. Like I said, I did draw it a little bit too big. Now we go ahead and draw. And if you like, you can go ahead and exaggerate some things. Like the horns, you can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. It's up to you. Exaggeration can be good. It can, if you're trying to get a message through. Bugs are disgusting, so if you want to make them look more disgusting, that's fine. Alright. So, my sketch is almost done. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on this section right here. As you can see, the bugs have multiple sections. That's for its movement. That part you cannot see. Alright. And if your bug doesn't look anything like mine, do not worry. If this is your first time drawing a bug, it's okay. Just try your best. I will be giving you feedback, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Just try your best, please. The more you do something, obviously the better you'll get at it. But as you can see, this doesn't look exactly like it yet. You gotta give it some time before, after you add all the detail, for it to look more like the creature that you're trying to draw. That goes for everything, bugs or actual people. I made the back a little bit too long. And as I can already see that I drew it a little bit too thick as well, so I will go ahead and bring this down about there. Yes. Also, another thing, feel free to move your paper around whenever you draw. And to also look at your drawings from different perspectives, from different angles. It will help you find mistakes that you cannot see from certain angles. So this is the end of the first video. And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.